G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's. They got a new pizza out, the 4 cheese pizza. So let's whip on into Domino's, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go. Alright, well here we go, the 4 cheese pizza. $18 this cost. Mate. Although I only paid $9 for it because it's half price Tuesday. Anyway, I've got the scales. Let's see how much this weighs. Alright, so you're looking at about 90 grams minus the box, about 570 grams. Which is a semi-decent weight, but for $18, you'd want it to be. Anyway, let's suss it out. Ooh, yummo! Oh, I hope. Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh, doesn't that look cheesy? Now, the 4 cheese pizza is a creme fraiche base topped with mozzarella, camembert, feta, and parmesan, garlic butter sprinkled with oregano. Well, it smells really nice, and I'm wondering, with all this cheese, if we're going to get a cheese stretch. Well, let's find out. Well, simple answer, no. Unless I try this piece. Oh, there's one. Ah. Now, Domino's does have another 4 cheese pizza of the 4 cheese deluxe. So the difference between this one and that one is this one has garlic butter and some oregano, whereas the other one doesn't have garlic butter and it has spring onions on it. So it's the same, but different. And I remember doing a review on that a long time ago, and I thought it was really tasty. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells good. Right, let's go. Oh boy. That's kind of chewy. When you bite into it, you get the occasional nice big chunk of camembert there, and it's kind of chewy. I think once the pizza cools down a little bit, it does solidify and get a little bit chewy there, which is fine by me. I got to chew it up anyway, so I might as well add some extra chewy textures, and if the chewy texture is cheese, then that's a pretty good chewy texture. I am finding that it has got a little bit of a sour taste though, like, you know how cheese sometimes has like a tanniny sort of flavour or a sourness? Well, I am finding that on this, and you do get the occasional bit of garlic butter on there. And another thing I'm noticing is, well, I was sort of expecting it to be a little bit salty, but it's not really that salty either. It's sort of quite a mild tasting 4 cheese pizza. It kind of needs something else on there to boost the cheese flavour, like maybe some blue cheese. That would have been great. But as far as pizza taste goes, I mean, it's all right, but it's not blowing my mind. You definitely do get that taste of the oregano when you bite into it, though. And well, I think if I'd maybe got some chili flakes on this, that might have just added that something else to it that hopefully would have added a little bit more flavour, because as it stands with the 4 cheeses on there, it's obviously got flavour, but it's not like really doing it for me. It tastes a little flavourless for something that's got flavour. It tastes alright, but it doesn't taste great. So I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $18. Oh, mate! If I'd had paid full price for this, I'd be pretty annoyed. $18 is ridiculous. $9, I reckon, is just about right. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour of it's okay. It's just got this funny sour taste about it. Something in the cheese that makes it all sour, and, well, it doesn't really leave an awesome taste in your mouth. You get a slight bit of garlic butter there with the oregano on top, and, well, but the rest of the cheese flavour, it's just sort of not really doing it for me. It's just that funny aftertaste that is just putting me off it a little bit. Maybe some meat on this would have been good. Oh, I wonder what sort of meat I would add though. Maybe chicken? Definitely some ham. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the 4 cheese pizza, I think this deserves a 6.9 out of 10. There's just something about the sourness and the aftertaste of this pizza that's sort of putting me off a little bit, and, well, the price, $18, mate, I wouldn't be paying that for it either, but it tastes okay-ish, but that aftertaste just is putting me off to the point that I wouldn't be getting another one of these again. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ate a Domino's pizza. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are